Here's some weather facts of the day. This is about tornadoes. Today, I'm breaking down all the types of tornadoes and tornado-like whirlwinds. The ones that are fun to watch, the ones that are weird, and the ones that are extremely dangerous. Let's start with the real tornadoes. The one formed by thunderstorms. First is the supercell tornado. This is the big, classic, powerful tornado you see in the movies and on the news. Those can go from EF0 all the way to EF5. They're the strongest and most dangerous tornadoes on Earth. Then there's the land spout. Those are skinny, rope-like tornadoes that form gently from the ground up. They spin fast, but they're usually weak. Still a tornado, but not nearly as dangerous as the big supercell one. Next up, water spouts. Those spin over lakes and oceans. Most water spouts are weak and kind of cool to watch. But if one of the strong ones move onto land, it'll do real damage. There's also something called a sandnado. This happens on the edge of a thunderstorm, where the light hits the ground and curls back up. It spins for a few seconds and disappears. Sandnados can push stuff around, but they're usually low danger and short-lived. Let's get into the fun ones. The things that spin, but not real tornadoes. A dust devil is the most common. Hot ground heats the air and starts spinning. Those are usually harmless, but big ones can toss light objects around. Mostly just fun to watch. A sandnado is pretty much a dust devil in a sandy area. Beaches, deserts, dunes. It's the spinning comet of sand. Looks cool, but again, mostly harmless. A snow or snow devil spins snow into a little vortex on cold, windy days. These are rare, short, and safe. A steam devil forms over warm water when the air is cold. It pulls steams up and twists it into a spiral. It looks spooky, but it's not dangerous at all. A smokenado happens when smoke gets pulled into a spinning air column, usually near fires or burn piles. These look cool, but don't have the power of a tornado. Now let's talk about the extreme one, the firenado. A firenado forms inside a wildfire, where hot air rises fast and starts twisting. This creates a spinning column of flames, embers, and burning debris. They look unbelievable, but they are extremely dangerous. Easily one of the deadest type of spinning vortices on the planet. Then you have lava tornadoes, which happen near volcanoes, where the hot air and ash begins to rotate. Rare, but incredibly dangerous when it happens. There are also cold air funnels, small, skinny funnels that form on cold, unstable days. Most never touch down, but if they do, they're usually weak and low danger. So here's the breakdown. Fun are mostly harmless. Dust devils, sandnados, sandnados, steam devils, smokenadoes, sun danger, land spouts, water spouts, dustnadoes, cold air funnels, extremely dangerous, supercell tornadoes, firenadoes, lava tornadoes. There's a whole world spinning air out there. Some are just cool to see, some you never want to be anyone there. And that is you some of the weather facts of the day. If you want more weather facts about tornadoes and other weather-related stuff, please comment, share, and follow me on TikTok and YouTube. And I'll see you next time on Sean's Weather Watch.